If you want to open two apps in split screen view on the Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case, first of all, we need to open the first app that we want to open in the split screen view. After that, we can go to Recent or Background Apps. And in here, we should be able to tap on the app icon that we have at the top of the preview. And we should be able to find Open in split screen view. Then we can choose the second app that we want to open in the split screen. And there we go. Now we can use both apps at the same time. We can grab by these three dots that we have in the middle in order to change the split, to adjust the ratio between the split. We can also find a line at the top of each of these apps in order to find some additional options. Of course, if you swipe all the way down or all the way up, you will return to the full screen. There is also the second option that allows you to activate the split screen view, and that is the swipe gesture, which first we need to enable to be able to use it. So we're gonna open the settings, scroll down over here to advanced features, and then you want to go to the multi-window option. And in here we have a swipe for split screen. Here we can also see how it looks like, how it works. So we can use two fingers and swipe from the bottom into the middle of the phone to activate the split screen view. And then once again, we just choose the second app that we want to open in the split view, and that is pretty much it. The rest is pretty much the same. Leave a like and subscribe.